Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use Artisan, cartoon photo editor and art photo filters on your Android devices. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have opened up my Google Play Store, and here search in Artisan, and as you may have noticed, I have installed it already. So before we open this up, I just want to let you know that Artisan Cartoon Photo Editor is the best Toon app to cartoon yourself and to make a digital art with many artistic photo filters. So let's take a look at the examples in here. There, cartoon yourself, art filters, cartoonify pictures, cartoon photo editor, one tap avatar maker, caricature maker, Abari type photos, and so on. So let's go back and open it. So this is the interface. As you can see, the featured, these are the examples that you can apply to your photo. So as you can see, there's a lot for the pro version there. So I also just want to let you know that you need to have an internet connection to open this up. So as you can see, there's a lot, there's plenty of it. All you need to do is scroll down and look for the filters that you want to apply to your photos. So let's just look. Okay, that's the end of it. So let's go back at the top. So in here, you can, instead of scrolling down, you can actually go tab by tab like this: sketch, pop art, painting, night, pastel, gravity, texture, surreal, abstract. And instead of scrolling it like this, so you can jump right away by tapping this tab at the top portion of your screen. So let's go back to featured and let's apply this one here, this one there. That's the original photo there. So let's choose a photo. So let's start now. So you have the option to choose from your gallery. So in my gallery, I have 4 photos of the Avengers. So let's try Tony Stark. So there, it's been cartoonized. As you can see, you can select the filters below there. So the effects will apply right away. So just select the filters in here and then it will apply right away. So there, you can select any of the available filters in here. So sketch, pop art, there, paintings. So it's going to take for a while depending on your internet speed and so on. So in here, texture, abstract, and so on. So there. So let's go back to featured and let's apply this effect. I like this one or this one. So this one here is where you can see the original photos. If you make this to 0, that's the original photo, and slowly if you move forward, you will see the filters being applied there. The same goes with the other filters. As you can see, the original photo and there. So that's the filter being applied. This one is if you want to crop. So this one is where you can just crop, a free crop there, any size you want, or you can choose the options in here. This one is for Instagram there, story 5.4, 3.4, 4.3, Facebook post, cover, Pinterest, and so on. So you can choose any of the crop options in here. So let's just try this one and hit this check mark, tap this one here at the top there. So original photo, and then the filters being applied. So once you have done, you can save it by pressing this one here at the top right portion, save, and it will automatically save to your gallery. So this one is if you want to change or look for another photos of yours. So let's save it first. There, saving image, and there, saved. The image has been saved. So as you can see, you have the option to share it to your social media account, your Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, and this one is share if you want to share it. So let me just cancel it and go back. So home page, this one, and let's try another filters. Let's try this one. So this is a sketch. Okay, let's start now, and then select. So if you choose camera, that is where you can make a selfie of yourself and cartoonize it. So I'm not going to do that since I'm not handsome. I'm just going to select any of the images here. So let's choose Chris Hemsworth. This time let's choose this image as our example. So there, the sketch has been applied. You can choose the options in here for the sketch. Let's try this one. There, you can also try SKT09. I prefer this one. I think it looks good. This one, let's try this. This one is also good as well. So play along with the filters in here. So it's really simple and easy to use. Just tap the filters that you want and it will apply right away. So once you have done selecting the filters, you can crop it if you want to, just like that. Okay, just like that, and then hit apply here at the top, and there. Then you can save it to your gallery, and there. So very simple and easy to use. Once you have this app, you don't need any other photo editing apps to create memoji, stickers, and bitmoji. You just have to select photos of yours from your gallery and it will automatically edit. So just have to select the photos of yours and apply the effects, and it will apply right away. It's really easy to use. As you can see, this card changes. Hit OK or no. Let's just OK. And in settings, if you press the settings, there's nothing in here actually. So let's just go back in here. So just look for the filters that you want to apply. So AI cartoon photo editor features available: AI cartoon photo editor, artistic oil painting filters and pop art effects, selfie camera effects, cartoon backgrounds and layouts, cool drift effects. Again, look for the effects that you want to apply to your photos. You will be amazed at how you look if you're going to apply filters like this. So again, this photo editor is an all-in-one cartoon app where you can animate pictures, avatar yourself with cartoon face filters and beautiful drawing filters for pictures. and so on. So once you have applied the filters, you can share it to your social media account like Facebook, TikTok, or Snapchat. So that's how easy it is to use this application, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.